Namaste everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to be taking you through a very simple warm-up sequence that you can do. So let's begin. We're going to stand in the middle of our mat. So starting with our feet first, lift your right feet out. We're going to flex and point our toes, so feeling the stretch from our feet, rotating your feet clockwise direction, and then switch the direction the other way. So we're basically doing some joint movements first to awaken our body. Moving on to left feet comes out, point and flex your foot. Remember to breathe while you do this movement. Rotate it one way and the other way. And relax your feet. Now we're moving on to our knees. Put your hands on your knees and we're going to rotate it counterclockwise first. So you can just follow my video the way I'm doing it, putting your hands on your knees. Change the direction. Then moving on to hips. You can open your legs shoulder distance apart and slowly move your hips counterclockwise. Rotating your hips, feeling the joints. It's going from right side to back and left and front. Starting from small circles, then whenever you feel like it, you can make a big circle. Then switch the direction. Going to move from right to left, hitting every corner of your hips, making a big circle. Then lifting your arms up. Inhale as you go up and exhale as you come down. Flatten your back, your arms remain straight in front of you in one line. Just going to do a few pulses here, feeling the stretch at your lower back. Inhaling, come back up. And now we're gonna spread our arms wide and stretch our arms side to side. So isolating your hips, do not move your hips, you're only going to move your upper body and pretending like you're about to touch the wall on each side. Move side to side. And then we're going to bend to our right side as you feel the stretch on your left. Reach your left arm to the right side. And then slowly you're gonna move on to your flat back. So looking down. And bring your arms all the way down as you touch your toes. Moving on to another direction, we're going to slowly rotate our body, come back up again. Hands remain wide open. And moving on to our left side. So bringing your right arms over, bending towards the left, feeling the stretch on the right side of your body. And then again, moving on to flat back. So look down as you keep your arms straight. And slowly bend down as you touch your toes all the way down to the ground, feeling the stretch in your lower back. And bring both your palms down the center. Inhaling and exhaling here. Then you're going to hold your arms and swing back and forth and side to side. Bringing your feet together now, folding forward. We're going to slowly lift our body up and release. Now just going to warm up our body and opening up our energy points in our body. Going to move our hands side to side. Just basically hitting our hips and slowly moving our hands up towards our shoulders. Hitting your shoulders and your back. Deep inhale and exhale. Again, moving down to the hips. Hit each side of your hips. And now we're gonna move on to big circles with our arms. So inhale as you go up, exhale as you come down. So make big circle with your arms. and switch the direction the other way as well. Arms wide open. Moving on to stretch for your arms. Bring your left arm straight towards your right and using your right hand to push your left arm back. You're gonna feel the stretch. Then you're gonna bend your left arm, put it behind your back. You're gonna pretend to touch your lower back as far as you can. Use your right hand to push your arms down. And switching your arms to the other side. So bringing your right arm out, using your left hand to push it back. And again, bringing your right hand to the back and using your left hand to push it down. Beautiful. Moving on to your head stretch. We're going to tilt our head to the right side. Using your right hand to gently push it down. Move on to the left side. Breathe. Inhale, exhale. Pushing your head down towards the front. Looking down. And looking up. Inhale. Then we're going to move our head side to side. Look to the right. And look to the left. And slowly rotate your head one direction. Inhale as you go up. Exhale as you rotate down. Be very gentle with this movement. And then switch the direction the other way. Inhale and exhale. Gently rotating your head. And feeling the stretch on your neck. Beautiful. You're just going to take a deep inhale. Bring your arms all the way up as you go on your tiptoes. Hold it there. And exhale down. Bring your arms down. Again, inhale. Reach your arms up on your tiptoes. Exhale, come down. Inhale, reach your arms up high. And exhale, this time you're going to fold forward, go all the way down. Palms touching the ground. Back is straight. And we're going to come to our very first downward dog. So, your legs go back, arms forward, lifting your hips up to the sky. And whenever you're ready, bring your right leg forward. Without your knees touching down, just do a few pulses here. And slowly bring your knees down to the ground as you feel the stretch. Then gently you're going to push your hips back and straighten out your right leg as you feel the stretch in your hamstrings. And as you exhale, you're going to fold forward, try to touch your head towards your knees so you feel the stretch even deeper. And gently release your legs, bring it back and go into downward dog once again. Nice downward dog. Now, bringing your left leg forward in between your palms. Again, few pulses here, feeling the stretch. And gently putting your knees down, feeling the stretch even deeper. Try to push your hips down further so you're going to feel the stretch even deep. Holding the pose there and then gently pushing your hips back and straightening out your legs in front of you, left leg. Folding down towards your knees. Try to touch your head towards your knee so you feel the stretch even deeper. Hold it there for a few seconds and gently come back up. Bring your right foot forward and you're going to fold forward. Feel the stretch at your lower back and your hamstring. Try to straighten out your leg as much as you can. You can hold your legs if you want to. You're going to take an inhale, come up halfway, and exhale down again. Now, On inhale and exhale, you're going to bring your left leg back. Slowly turn towards your left side and bring your calves touching to the ground. So your toes pointing upwards. Feeling the stretch on your legs. Gently put the legs down and then switch towards the right side. So come back up, move to the right side. Your right leg is straight. Right calf touches the ground. And again, gently move towards the left side again. You can put your palms down to the ground to support you. And again, switch direction. Move from one side to another. Then come to the center of your mat. Keep your knees straight. Inhale, exhale. And slowly you're going to bend your legs. So pretend you're on your squat position. Put your hands on your knees and we're going to do a simple twist side to side. Just feeling the stretch. And again, straightening out your legs. Fold forward, bring your arms up in front of you and slowly come back up and release. Just keeping your arms to the side. Inhale, exhale. We're going to stretch our back this time. So extending your arms forward, interlock your fingers and stretch. Arch your back, pushing your hands forward. And now as you inhale, bring your arms out to the back, and as you push your chest forward, you're going to feel a deep stretch on your back. And again, exhale, bring your arms forward, interlock your arms and stretch, arching your back. Then again, inhale, bring your arms wide, bringing your chest forward, opening up your heart. As you exhale, again, fold back. Bring your arms forward. Inhale, opening up your chest. Now gently put your arms on your back, put your hands on your back. And as you inhale, you're going to slowly bend backwards. As far as you can go, you're going to do a slight back bend. So take a deep inhale, push your body back. Gently go down as far as you can go, pushing your pelvis forward. Looking up to the sky and come back up. Exhale. Again, take a deep inhale, go back down. And as you exhale, come back up. And gently you're gonna fold forward. Exhale, come down, all the way down, your palms touching the ground as you feel the stretch on your lower back. And take a deep inhale as you rise up, arms coming all the way, palms touching together, bringing it down towards your chest and on the side. And relax there. Take a few deep breaths. And just shake your body. We've completed the warm-up sequence. That was just a very simple warm-up that you can do before you start your day or before your flow. And that's all. Hope you feel warmed up for the rest of your day and hope you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.